I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by verifying you have an administrator account and all Edge or WebView2 hosts are closed. Once done, open Settings Apps, Installed Apps or Control Panel Programs and Features, and look for Microsoft Edge WebView2 Runtime. If it's listed, note the exact version. If not, install or enable Widget or use PowerShell 7+. These tools give you the only reliable removal path. Now prepare to run the removal command. Keep your admin credentials ready. You will run the precise uninstall command next. Open an elevated PowerShell or command prompt and run Widget list to find the Webview2 package identifier, then Widget uninstall ID package. ID as admin. Alternatively, use get package name Microsoft Webview2, then uninstall package input object package in PowerShell 7. Stop services or apps that lock files, and if you see file in use errors, terminate the processes or schedule removal on reboot. You finish by confirming the runtime is gone. Check programs and features and run Widget list again. Remove leftover folders under %local app data % and program files using File Explorer or an elevated command. Once complete, reboot to release locks. If uninstall fails due to MSI or installer corruption, start Windows in safe mode and repeat, or use the Windows installer cleanup approach with msizap or equivalent utility. Make sure you have backups. If issues persist, record the error text and retry with an elevated log.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.